Good day, crafty chums, it's Nikki here, and this is the 30-day Inchies challenge, and this is day 28 on a box. Believe it or not, I'm out of boxes, so I thought I'd make a paper box and then just do a quick bit of decoration on it, you know, whatevs. Quick bit of decoration on it, and then we'll call her done. I could scale it down, but because I'm rushing to get all these things done, because obviously I am working hard. So sometimes it's just not possible. So of course, obviously, the first thing you need to do when you're making a box is to get a square, and this is how you make a square. So you fold, you get your corner, and in the corner you get this long side straight. You take the short side to the long side and crease all the way down. This is obviously another bit of jelly print paper that I had, and so I'm just going to cut this. And to get the square now, obviously I could just chop that off, but you don't do that in origami boxes. No, of course not. You don't do anything. You don't use anything but the paper itself. But I tell you what, you know, they do the folds and they fold it all nicely and whatever. Or you can just do this other one, which is, of course, to get your ruler. Put it along here, along this edge. Use the middle side, it might help. Just go along here, make sure you're right on the edge, and then just pull your paper up and tear it, and that's your thing done. That's your square. So I'm going to go corner to corner, corner to corner. Sometimes I forget how to do this, but so you have to bear with me if I forget. So corner to corner, and then we're just going to go edge to edge. So the long, you know, they're all the same size now, so edge to edge in half. We're folding these in half now, which gives you your little guidelines, basically. That's what it does. It gives you guidelines to work on. So we've got our little star and our cross there. And so what we're going to do is now we're going to fold our corners into the middle, like this, like so. Okay. And so that's what we're going to do there. Corner to corner, and there we go. So we've done that, and we're just going to fold this in half. Fold the sides in to the centre there. Then we're going to do the same thing here to meet in the middle. To the centre to meet into the middle. And we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We're going to just go into the middle, both sides into the middle. And as you can see, when you do this, it actually forms, you can see your box forming there. So we've got that in the middle, bringing this one up. If you make sure that all your sides are meeting and matching, and just doing it a little bit carefully, and just folding firmly, and you're good to go, really. So what we're going to do, we are going to lift it up. Was I supposed to make it smaller? No, that's right. Okay, as you can see, this is the sides of the, this is going to be the sides of the box. So we're going to lift one up, and we're going to fold the sides of the box in. Because you've already, what you're going to do is corner to the middle. So this corner to the middle there, forming the sides of your box. You can see this forms like the corner and the side of your box. does as well, and then it folds back down and in, trapping those side pieces. And there I've already formed 3 sides of the box, and so I'm just going to pull this one up again. Ooh. See where see where this is folding out? It's got to come to the inside. This comes to the inside. It's okay, I didn't quite have it far enough in, because I don't quite have my creases folded nice and sharp. You need sharp creases. See where this folds here? I'm going to bring this in across to the middle. Make sure your creases are nice and sharp. This one comes in across the middle again, nice sharp creases. And then it just folds down and forms your box. This already makes a snazzy box look. This makes a cute little gift box as well. Put something in there, it's a gift box, plain there. And what are we going to do? We are going to now decorate this box. Well, I've got this nice little heart thing, and we are going to just stick a little heart in it. I could, I suppose, go with a yellow. Got this cute little yellow with the rose on it, which is also nice. Or I could, if this was a birthday box, I could do something like that with the birth date, like I did with the card, to go on there, and then pop that one in the middle. But I actually think that this box is just super duper as it is. I could might just go around the edges in the black, like that. Do you know, I was going to overly complicate this one, wasn't I? And then in the end I didn't have to. I didn't have to, because it didn't need it. So, and I'm not going to decorate it just for decoration's sake, just to say, oh look, you know, this is a super decorated box. I just showed you how to make the box, and I'm going to top it off with my fantastic little Inchie that goes there right in the middle. And I think this is a super, super, super little gift box that I just made from paper and a little Inchie. So there, I hope you enjoyed today's make. It was, I hope you saw most of that. I didn't even check to see if I was in screen half the time. And I'm just going to pop that one there. And yeah, there you go. Here's today's, I don't know, Inchie into a box. The Inchie isn't the box, the Inchie is decorating the box. On a box, Inchie on a box, there you go. Does what it says in the description. Don't forget to check out Eileen McInnes's channel to see what she's done with hers. And don't forget to get to, oh, for goodness sake, some days I just can't get my words out, can I? If you join in with us on the with this lovely Inchies challenge, and you make something, come along to International Crafters and add what you make into the Facebook group, International Crafters on Facebook. And yeah, we love it. Don't forget to hashtag Eileen and myself so we can see it. And check all the information you need will be in the description box below this video. And I hope to see you again real soon. I had such trouble getting this one out today, and it's because I am super, super tired, and I apologise for that. Could be a better video, but hey, you got a cute little box. See you again soon. Bye.